Hey guys, so this is going to be the, basically, you need to watch this video first before you watch the tutorials. This is a very, very important video. It's basically, I just need to show you guys that I built this elevator, this original elevator that you saw in the video, on a server. Just to make that clear, because I just discovered something. I'm actually making this video last. I already built the elevator that you're gonna see in the tutorial, and I realized that it didn't work. Because for this one reason right here, and I will show you. So you see these blocks. Now usually if I were to go inside right here, the blocks would go through me. But on my server, on this server, it doesn't go through me, it pushes me up. So when I go in, the blocks, they push me up instead of just going through me. So that's the difference. In the single player that I made, that other elevator and the one that you're going to see, the blocks go through me instead of pushing me up. So like if I were to jump on the block on the server, it would work. But you can't do that considering that you get pushed into this secondary elevator shaft here, and the whole point is that this goes under you and it pushes you up. So this, just wanted to show you this to just tell you that do not try making this elevator. Try making this one first, and if the block goes through you, then don't bother making this elevator, because it will not work for you. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Again, if I just walk in here and there's a gate, it just starts pushing me up. And again, like right here, when I get into the next section, again, it just pushes me up instead of the block going through me. So I'll show you in my single player where I just made the elevator that you will see if you continue this. Wait a second. Sorry. Connect new player. Here. In this one, I'll show you. So if I start up the elevator, if I walk in when there is just gates. Okay, wait a second. There. So I walked in when there were gates, and you see the block. The sand block is going through me. It's not pushing me up. Now, you know, you could say, well, what's the problem with that? You could just walk in here, and then it will start pushing up as long as you get on here. Yeah, that's true, but when you get to this next section, you will see. Right here, the whole point is that this part now, it's the second elevator, and then this starts to push you up. But if this happens, if the block starts going through you, and it doesn't push you up, then this elevator won't work the way at least you would want it to work. So before, all I'm saying is before you go ahead and build this huge elevator, just build a small version, just a tiny one, just to see if the blocks go through you or not. And again, I don't know why the single player and the server is different. I have no idea. Maybe there's some sort of, I know the physics is different. I don't know why it would be different, but for some reason it is, at least in my server. So I can't guarantee that this will work in single player. I don't think it does. But if you have a server, maybe try making it and tell me how it works for you. I'm interested because it's kind of weird that it worked for me in the server and not in single player. So so just again, build a small version of the elevator. See if it works. See if the block goes through you or not. Because if it goes through you like that, then this elevator will not work. So thank you for watching. And after you build that small little elevator and it works for you, continue watching my tutorials on how to build the gate elevator that can go on technically as high as you want it to go. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the first part of the tutorial.